guys, welcome back. And guess what? We have a makeup video today. It's not really a tutorial, just really, I think I'm gonna throw this look in the summer category lookbook. And yeah, I wasn't really sure where I was going with it, but you tell me what you think down in the comment box. So as you can see, I've already done one of my brows off camera. Was not intentional. I thought I was recording, and other fellow YouTubers, you know what I'm talking about when that happened. Like, that button somehow don't get pressed sometimes. But I'm going in with I first went in with Maybelline brow pencil, defined brow pencil, but that was not working out. It looks really great, so I went over it with some brown, I'm not sure what the brand was, but some brown brow powder to kind of darken it, because that gray was not, I was not feeling it at all. I don't know if it was just the light, the bright light for me sitting in front of the window, but it wasn't working. Now I'm going to just clean it up with some concealer, and I'm using I'm just going to list all the actual name of the brands down in the description box, because I cannot think of all of them offhand. But yeah, I'm just cleaning it up. I'm not really going to talk all the way throughout this whole video, but if I do see something I need to elaborate on, I'll be back. So please enjoy. But I will take this time out to say, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. What you waiting on? Hit that subscribe button, and yeah, turn that notification bell on. Follow me on my social media. Also, I have Instagram and Snapchat, y'all. I'm using a color from the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. I think it's called Nooner. This brush was terrible. I could not find my blending brush to save my life, y'all. So that's why I was showing those crazy faces, like what the heck. And I'm adding a little bit of color from one of my Morphe palettes, but I really don't want too much on my eyes, because I really intend on making it pop with my lip color. And I am not the best at doing a wing liner, so please, this right here, y'all. I did the best that I could do. I was trying out this Wet n Wild eyeliner. I heard so much about it because of its the tip of it. It's so fine, and I really do like it, but you have to take your time. And I was not really I did not intend on going this thick with the liner. I really wasn't, but sometimes it just you can get carried away. That's what the heck happened right here. And who was gonna do it over? Who? honestly was not sure how I was feeling this look. I thought about bright colors and, you know, summertime and all that. I was like, I'm glad I'm wearing a white tee because with any other color, I think it would have been a little bit too much, you know, going on. But let me know what you think. I'm kind of digging it. So here's a little close-up of what my face looks like. My eyelashes on my right eye look like it was not straight, but that's fine. But yeah, this is what the finishing look looks like. I'm digging it, y'all. I think I'm digging it.